Are you struggling with persistent digestive issues? This video introduces a clinical study by MusB Research on digestive health, seeking participants in Port Richey. Tired of dealing with bloating, burping, indigestion, or stomach discomfort? MusB Research in Port Richey is inviting participants for a clinical study on a safe, natural, and market-available formula. Join a local clinical study in Port Richey. This study utilizes a safe, natural formula that is already available on the market, ensuring participant safety and familiar ingredients. This study is designed to support digestive health naturally. Participants in the study will be compensated for their time and contribution. And yes, you'll get paid for your time and participation. Spots for this important study are filling up quickly, so don't delay. Spots are filling quickly, don't wait. Here's how you can reach MusB Research and Diagnostics to learn more and enroll. Call MusB Research today and take the first step toward better digestion while making a difference in science.